Hey guys, today we are going shopping. I am going to take you in the Habitat for Humanity Restore and a consignment shop. And then I will show you what I bought. Now we are in the consignment store. And guys, I like to look in the consignment store before I go thrifting to get inspiration and ideas. The consignment stores have some of the same merchandise that you will find in Goodwill or thrifting, except the merchandise is clean and nicely displayed, but it will cost a little bit more. Now, sometimes you see items in the Goodwill and they look interesting, but you may not know how to style it. So coming here gives me ideas on things to look for while thrifting. Now, on occasion, I will purchase things at a higher price if it's something that I'm looking for. Now, I did get a purchase from this store, and I will show you at the end. Now, this store has a lot of furniture, sofas. Sometimes you will find pillows, and they only take in certain type of merchandise, so you're never going to find anything that is, torn or not in good condition. Now, see, I have a lot of those finials at my house, and sometimes you will see them in the Goodwill, you might see them in a strange color, but when I come here and I see it, then when I get to Goodwill, I'll remember what I saw, and then when I see it in a blue or an orange color, I'll remember, hey, I can take that home and spray paint it or, change it. Now that's a nice little piece to display maybe some of your Easter or spring decor. And there's a mercury glass piece. You guys are always asking me where I get my mercury glass from, and I get them from a lot of places like this, as well as the Goodwill. And obviously you can see there's a lot of color. So if you are looking for color, these consignment shops may be the place to look. There's another finial. Well, that one's on a lamp. Now that's a perfect French country lamp. So if you guys have a consignment shop in your area, I would definitely visit because you just never know what you might find. There's some farmhouse decor. Now this looks like a Pier 1 little love seat. And there's a nice little French chair. Now they also have new furniture. This is an Ashley love seat. Some nice spring decor. Now guys, they had chargers on this table that were beautiful in a rattan with a silver leaf trim, and you guys will not believe the price. Yes, $96 for the set. That is ridiculous. And you have to look low and find good deals. There's more yellow. Now I'm looking for a rooster, but not in yellow. Now I own this little tray, and it is like a French country Tuscan tray, but I've already painted mine in an ivory color. Now that's a DIY for someone. Now this gave me an idea on how to paint a piece that I already own. And this gave me a little inspiration as well, that metallic finial. And this looks like a DIY for someone. And guys, if you're interested, they are on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so now we are going into the Restore. And guys, I like to come to the Restore to get paint at a good price for my little projects. You guys know I'm always painting something, and so I like to have paint on hand. And so I come here and get the grays and the creams and, you know, a lot of paint at a good price. They also have most all of the name brand paints, and they typically try and sell full cans of paint. Like this can was $9. It was totally full, and it was in a black, which is great for painting like cabinets or furniture or things like that. And so they do have cabinetry if you're looking to like make over I don't know if you need like a little bar or something in your home. It's a good place to come. Now these caught my eye. Now these are also brand new, and these were $75, but they can retail anywhere from $200 and up. They have sinks, and this little pink or plum sink was pretty nice looking. They also have lighting. Chandeliers, bath lighting, Okay, so are you guys ready to see what I purchased? Now this is a kitchen sign, and I've been looking for this for quite a while, and so I picked this up at the consignment shop. And I'll probably will do a makeover on it. I won't show you in this video, but I'll come back in the next video and share with you how it looked. Okay, so my next purchase that I'm so excited about is this chandelier. I purchased this chandelier, and so by the time I got it home and got the beads in order and the jewels back in place, it was ready to hang. And the best part about it, guys, it only cost $20. That's right, $20. I don't know if you guys can see the beauty in this piece, but it is so pretty. And I do plan to come back and show you guys how it looked in the dining room another day. It just started to get dark, and so I couldn't really share the dining room with you the way I wanted to, but I will come back and let you see just how pretty it is. So guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I promise I will be back and do a tour of the dining room. Now guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you can be notified when I do another video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.